Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the first time I've ever gotten an Influenster box, and it is the Kaja Wing Stamp Liner Wink Stamp, and their Beauty Bento Shadow Trios. So I actually got this for the first time. I'm super excited. I've never gotten one before, and I wanted to show you everything that I got. So they did send me the Wink Stamp, which is a liner stamp, and you guys, if you can see, I mean, I was really impressed. And then I was also sent the two Beauty Bento Shadow Trios. So I'm going to go over all of these real quick. I'm not going to tell you what I think in the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and switch it up. I'm going to save all that for the actual video. So I'm just going to introduce you to the products, show you a little bit of them, and then you guys can hear what I think later in the video. I think I'm going to start doing my videos this way, so I don't give everything away in the very first 2 minutes of the video. I always do that. So I'm going to show you guys the Kaja liner. It is actually a set, and it is $25. And it's good. You guys, look, I did that in like 2 seconds. Not even gonna lie. I'm just gonna do some quick swatches of these. So it is a really, really black formula. It is matte, but I find that it does dry down slightly shiny, but that's really easy to fix if you guys have a really nice, very pigmented black eyeshadow. You guys can easily just kind of tap it over the top and set it. Now it does, the actual wing stamp part does bleed into my skin on my hand, but it did not do that at all over the top of a shadow or on my eye. But here is the swatches. It is pretty black. You can see there it is slightly shiny on the actual liner. But it did bleed. Now the line itself, when you stamp it on, isn't very sharp. It's a little soft, but you can easily sharpen it with the edge of the liner. Now the liner brush is a little thick. It's not a super thin liner, but it does have a pretty good tip, and I did create a fairly sharp point on the end there. So there is that, you guys. And then I got the Beauty Bento Trios. These are $21. And there is Glowing Guava, which is a really pretty neutral one, and Hella Azalea. So I'm just going to show you the colors real quick. So here's the colors. Don't look at my nails. Stop it. Stop looking at my nails. They're nasty. Just look at the shadow. Okay, there's a pink. Here's a matte purple. And then here's the nude one. This one is a kind of pretty dusty rose brown. I'm not too sure how to explain that color. This one kind of looks pink. It's like a pinky brown shimmer. And then a pretty basic nude color, but it looks like it might have a little bit of pink. So I'm going to show you guys the shimmers. I'll do this brown here. They are so buttery soft. It's actually insane how soft these shadows are. Here's a couple colors from each one. And oh yes, I forgot. If you guys were wondering about the rest of my makeup, I am wearing Alijah Storm Cosmetics lipstick in Nicki. It's this beautiful rich burgundy fall color. Perfect for fall. I am actually wearing a deck of Scarlet in the version 10 blush in Bay. It's a really beautiful pink here. And then for highlight, I am using MDB Cosmetics in Saturn, and it is just a very soft, subtle pink, and I thought it pulled in really well with this burgundy eye. If you guys are interested in seeing me create this look, but also seeing my thoughts on the products, then just keep watching. So I have 6 total colors. I have 4 mattes and 2 shimmers to use. I'm going to try and use as many of these adorable little things as possible. So I'm just going to speed through this, show you the color as I go. I'm probably going to pop in and let you know what I think. the fan will be on because if you guys are unaware, I'm in a sunroom and it is currently 98 degrees in here and I can't live without that fan on me. So I'm going to try and use as many of these as possible, so let's see what I come up with. I'm going to clean up under here to make a nice sharp line to do my wing. Alright, I am going to finish up this eye over here. I like the way this turned out. It's really pretty. They blended beautifully. The pigmentation was there. Everything was just nice. The shimmers are not as impactful as I was hoping they would be, but they're fine. I think if you were to wet them, I did not, they might be a little bit more vibrant. But I'm going to do this eye and then we'll be back to try out the eyeliner. Alright, let's go ahead and move on with these eyeliners. So as you can see, there is a eyeliner stamp liner which has a left and a right. My nails look terrible. I apologize. And then there is the actual eyeliner pencil, which is just a good old-fashioned black liner. So let's take a look at these real quick. Stamp the outer edge of the eye and press down firmly. The wing should connect to the lower lash line, creating one continuous line. Let's see if this is hooded eye friendly. And it says to use the liner, shake well, and connect the wing to, you know, wherever you want on your eye. This is the right eye right here, so let's do the right, and oh my. Okay, so this is really fun actually. It's not very long. Now with my hooded eyes, I tend to make my wings a little bit longer because my hood right here falls over them and it kind of makes it a weird shape, so I have to extend it out a little bit more. But let's see. I'm as zoomed in as I can be, so let's see if this works. Put it on the bottom of the lash line and okay, there we go. That is a very tiny wing. Okay, it's not very sharp at the tip. Let me show you guys. See if I can do a close-up of what it looks like. Can you guys see that? It's like not super sharp on the edge. I mean, I guess that's what the eyeliner is for, so let's take a look at the liner. Oh, this is a really thick brush. It's not super thin. So let's see if I can get a sharper wing on the end here. Yeah, I did. I definitely made it sharper on the end. Okay, so as of right now, my hood is eating this. Do you guys see that? When I look up, my hood falls down on the wing and makes it look really weird. I mean, I feel like if I were to put it out here, it wouldn't have looked right. But it's a cute little wing. All right, let's see if we can connect it and how well that works. It actually looks really good. Okay, let's see if when I open my eyes, because they're hooded, if it eats the wing. because placement just might be an issue where I just have to place it a little bit farther down with my hooded eyes, but that's a really pretty wing. I'm not even gonna lie. Look how good I did. Yeah, I can already tell. It's okay. There is me looking straight up. So I can see it is taking away a little bit of this end here, but for the most part, it looks really good, you guys. I am actually impressed. What? Wow. Yeah, I definitely need to place it differently because of my hood, but if you don't have hooded eyes, this is seriously the fastest wing ever. That was really, really easy to do. I am impressed. Now, I don't know how this formula holds up, but it looks like it is matte. It doesn't seem to have any, it's got a little tiny shine, but it, for the most part, it looks really good. I'm thoroughly impressed. Let's see if I can do the same exact thing on this side. You guys, this actually doesn't look bad. This eye is a lot more downturned and hooded, so this one is going to look a lot shorter than this one. I could just, you know, bring that out a little bit, but I mean, it's kind of cute. Oh yeah, this one's terrible. That placement is absolutely terrible with my hood. God, my eyes suck so bad, you guys. If I had like actual regular eyelids, I think this would look amazing. Let's see if I can fake it real quick. Alright, hold on. There we go. Alright, this is me with regular eyelids. Perfect eyelids that I'll never have. Yeah, it's super cute. It's such a cute little wing too. If I were to change anything, I would have either made the stamp longer or I would have made this a little bit thinner and more sharp, so I could create a longer wing with it. It's a little thick for my taste. I prefer more thin liners. This one is a tad thick for me, but it worked. I mean, it worked. If you guys prefer tiny little easy wings like this, it's perfect. So I kind of love it, you guys. I mean, I'm definitely going to be using these again. I think I'm just going to have to place them a little bit more downwards so my hood doesn't eat them. But I'm impressed, you guys. I don't have anything bad to say. Now, the shadows, you know, they blended beautifully, but the colors are, you know, nothing special. The shimmers were not, I was not impressed with the shimmers whatsoever. They didn't do anything for my soul. The mattes blended out beautifully. They were super pigmented. But you can easily find all these kinds of colors in other palettes. If they had more of a unique color combination with these, I think I would absolutely love them because, I mean, they're really handy, they're very cute, they're easy to travel with. You can create an entire eye look with one little beauty bento. So, I mean, do you need them? No. If you suck at wings, I think you might love this though. But these I'm not, you know, they're fine. They're not anything super special. They're fun and innovative with the way that they stack, but the color combinations could be a little bit more exciting. But you guys, that's all I have. Thank you so much again, Influenster, for sending me these products to try. I hope this review was helpful. These are all fairly affordable, so if you guys were interested in this, I would highly recommend you try the eyeliners. I don't think I would recommend these. I mean, I think you can find something like this in a palette with just a lot more colors. They're actually quite expensive for that tiny little thing. But you guys, that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!